What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna continue our guides on Elementor and its add-ons. And in this video we're gonna explore one of my favorite features of the Essential Addons from Elementor plugin. Because Elementor is an amazing page builder plugin and everybody knows that, but its free version has some limitations, and you can do a post grid like this one that I have showed for you in our Visual Mentor WordPress theme. So how to do this amazing posts grid to display your latest blog posts, generate fully customizable blog layouts or portfolio pages or team member pages or maybe projects page. First of all, let's start at the point that you already have installed your Essential Addons and Elementor WordPress plugin. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for a video tutorial where I do explain how to do that. But after this process, we're gonna go to Pages, Add New. Let's give this page some title and click on the Elementor button so we can load the editor, the front end editor. Now, let's just have a look at the left side of our screen, where you can see a list of the full elements of your page builder, the Pro and some others that is locked because we are using the free version. And if you scroll down, we're gonna find the Essential Addons elements, and you can find the posts grid, that is the element that we're gonna be exploring in this video. Go to the search, type posts and click on the posts grid. Drag it and drop into this part of your page so we can load the element. As you can see, the element is set to call the blog posts, but you can call any post type or custom post type of your site, as example of projects or portfolio. I'm gonna keep this into the blog. You have tons of options to play around. For example, change columns, hide or display metadata like date of the post, author name, author photo, the title, the meta description called accept, the read more button, the load more, so the people can click on this button to load more posts from your blog or from your page, maybe a portfolio. And of course, we have the image size. I recommend that you use full, but it changes according to the kind of image they are using and the layout, like masonry or grid. Just select one that better display your image, because there are some options that will make your image look a little blurry. All is very simple and easy, and I really recommend that you take a moment to check, mark, remove, and change everything on this panel. Once you can see the result immediately, you can learn more and a lot about this fancy and very useful element called post grid. After you already have found your desired layout, you can change the colors so it can fit on your content. For it, we're gonna click on the Style tab, and here you can find padding options, colors, typography, places to change colors. For example, here we also have the advanced, where you can apply margin or paddings, but no need to worry about it at the moment. Let's just focus on the colors for now. The read more, there is a little button that appears next to the post accept. By default it comes in this green color. However, of course you can change it. If you click here in the hover card style, as you can see, you can change even this icon that appears when you hover your mouse over this image. Or here in the load more, that is the button that appears, we select it to appear, you can change its color as well. Don't forget to click on publish so you can finish your page and save it and check the result. Simple, fast and easy. And of course, free. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, with full compatibility with all of those fancy plugins. And I see you later. All the best!